Hey mga kaluka, kamusta? So sa video na ito ay papakita ko sa inyo ang nagawa ko during before and after pandemic. So bago ang lahat, intro! So first, I sculpt the 8 ducks using cement. So this ducks is perfect for your gardens and sideway. Second, the 3 different size mushrooms. So, cement din po ito. Third, the Statue of Dwarfs. So, kung gusto nyong malaman kung paano ko ito ginawa is paki-visit na lang po sa aking YouTube channel, Macke Erocido. Ayan. Ika-apat, the Statue of Snow White. So, siyempre, pag may dwarf, meron ding Snow White. 5, the Statue of Zebra. Ika-anim is the Statue of Lion. Then I also sculpt the head of lion like lion fountain. Seven, gumawa rin ako ng flower pot na may nakadikit na duwindi. At kung gusto nyong malaman kung paano ko ito ginawa is paki-visit na lang po sa aking channel, Macke Erocido. Ayan. 8, the cement large pot. 9, the small cement stand pot. 10, the cement 3-in-1 stand pot. This stand pot is perfect for indoor and outdoor. Then 11, the small house. I was created this small house for my fountain. And 12, this is my jungle mini fountain. I was created this jungle mini fountain through cement and cloth and styrofoam. And then I put also blue LED lights. Thirteen, the mini fountain. This mini fountain is perfect for indoor only. 14, the different design of fountain. 15, also a different design. 16, the outdoor fountain. This fountain was created through cement also. Then, this is the video of outdoor fountain natin. So, ano bang masasabi mo sa video natin na ito? May masasabi ka ba sa cement sculpture and DIY ideas natin? Ay, i-comment mo na dyan sa baba. So yun lang po. Thank you for watching mga kaluka. Always stay safe. God bless. And see you on my next video mga kaluka.